Let's relook our constitutional commission. The constitutional commissions today are costing this country a lot of money, and I will be able to walk you through the savings we are making through this reducing the wage bill. We are proposing in the bill, let there be a minimum of 3 commissioners and a maximum of 5. And they can only work on part-time basis. And that way we'll be able to address the wage bill. The other theme, this is the second last theme in the bill at page 15, is to enforce integrity, end corruption, and stop thieves of public money. We are proposing to amend chapter 6 of our constitution, starting from article 73 and 79, then 157 and 229, to say that as we audit expenditure of public money, we must now audit it alongside a forensic department at the office of the Auditor General.
Nguza mzigo uwe uga yeherite cia nomination digi support yugo tondu ithuĩ tara twe guku atimia ara nominated tugite kuiganania the gender equality gatagati gaitu na athuri aria macagurirwo mari MCA athuri. So no juge maybe ura puguza mzigo agigeria gwikania atire ithuĩ turi nominated ko kana aria maraingiraga thiini wa kuhitisha cia nomination thiini wa assembly kana thiini ginya wa national assembly na senate ni criteria riko mari huthagira maybe ni tukivetagwo mundu ni aheagwo wira kuringana na maybe githomo giake kana uhoti wake kana maybe uri ateithirie kiama kiria kiramuhe nomination area agukorwa kiheo.